Printing small stickers using the Canon CP1500. Open the Canon specific card set. This one is Label Set KC18IL for printing stickers in multiples of 8 per sheet. Note that you have to use the specific ink cartridge that comes with the sticker set. Also, the Cradle PCCC CP400 must be used when using this sticker sets. Take out the ink cartridge and replace it if required with the correct one. Place the stickers in the cassette and you're good to go on the printer. Next, open the Canon Selfie app. Select your layout, pick the paper size, print finish, layout and image optimization if required. Then select your photos, add any extra overlays and print. Once you have selected the settings and sent the print job, the Selfie printer will automatically print out your stickers. The printed stickers can then be peeled off and used for a variety of purposes such as decorating journals, scrapbooks, etc. As usual, please like, subscribe and hit me up with any comments. They are always appreciated.